Google, Apple, I can't remember what the last company is, but they're currently going through a lawsuit with the European Union and the European Commission in regards to monopolizing certain features. So I think for Apple, it's Google their App Store and um, only allowing a certain apps to appear on it and like taking the cut of the money. But
Yeah.
for when it comes to Google, what they are getting hit for basically by European Union is that they are monopolizing search, which obviously there is only really one big competitor, which is Microsoft with Bing. Um, Bing has AI integrated already into it, which Google doesn't. Um, I wonder how that's going to affect the future of both the companies. Is Google going to now um, penalize AI content that they produce? Is that going to be a thing? Because
Yeah.
obviously that would seem counterintuitive for their business model.